Hey guys, welcome back to another SAT Math No Calculator video by Equal Age Scholars. Um, Today we'll be looking at questions 9 to 12 from Test 1 from the College Board test. This is Math No Calculator. So let's jump right into it. Let's do question 9 first. It's asking, what is the solution x comma y to the system of equations above? Now, there are multiple ways to solve these. There's actually three ways: substitution, elimination, and graphing. And graphing, we need a calculator, which is why we can't do that. And substitution, we can do, but it takes a longer time. Elimination is way easier, which is what we'll be doing. So we have 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 23y. Negative 23. And then we have negative x plus 2y equal to negative 19. And the reason that sorry, so writing is just really bad. Negative 19. And so the reason why I wrote negative x plus 2y instead of 2x minus or 2y minus x is because I wanted the terms to match up right here, so that when I cancel them out or eliminate them, it's going to become easier. Now we have to multiply everything by 3 on the bottom section so that I can cancel out this and this, because 3x plus negative 3y is equal to 0 plus 3 times 2y is equal to 6y plus 4y is equal to negative 23 plus negative 57. Then we have 10y is equal to negative 80, because when we add negative 23 plus negative 57, we get negative 80. And then when we divide by 10, we get that y is equal to negative 8. Now we look up in the answers and we look at any answer with negative 8 in the answer key or in the y value. So we know it's not D, C, or A. That's why the answer is B. Sometimes both of the answers might have negative 8. And in that case, you would plug it back into this equation right here, or this equation right here, and you would see which one the x value would come out to be. And then you would find your x value, and that would be your answer. Let me just erase this right here. Moving on to question 10. Question 10 says, for the function g defined above, a is a constant and g of 4 is equal to 8. What is the value of g of negative 4? Well, right off the bat, I know that the answer is 8. Because in this equation right here, they're giving us g of x is equal to ax squared plus 24. And so this x squared is very important because we have to substitute 4 in for x right here. So when we get g of 4, right, we would put 4 into this x squared. So we have 4 squared is equal to 16, right? But negative 4 squared is also equal to 16. So what I'm trying to say is that no matter it doesn't matter if you put a negative or a positive. Either way, you're going to end up with the same value right here, meaning that you're going to end up with the same value for g of x, which is why the answer is 8. Next is question 11. So question 11 is saying, in the equation above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken, respectively. X weeks after July 1st during last summer. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? So, they're asking, what was the price per pound of beef when it is equal to price per pound of chicken? So, you do 2.35 0.25x plus 2.35 is equal to 0.4x plus 1.75. Then you get 0.15x. When you subtract these two, then you get, and then you subtract 1.75. Then you get, so you get 2.35 minus 1.75. You get 0. You get 6. You get 0.6. So then when you get 0.6, you divide this 0.15 divided by 0.15. Then that 0.6 divided by 15 is also equal to 60 by 15. And 15 times 4 is equal to 60. So our x value is equal to 4. X equal to 4. Now we just have to plug it back into the equation. They're asking for beef, so we put it back into the beef equation right here. So we get 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4. Now 0.25 times 4 is also equal to 1. So 1 plus 2.35 is equal to 3.35. That is also equal to the answer D. Which is how we got the answer D. Let me just erase all this. Actually, I can just move on. I don't need all that. Okay, sorry about that. Question 12. So a line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has a slope of 1 divided by 7, or 1/7. Which of the following points lies on the line? So right now, we can immediately cancel out A, because the question is saying it passes through the origin, and origin is always at 0, 0 right here. Since the origin at 0, 0, it's not going to be 0, 7. And we can cancel out B, because B is saying when x is 1, y is going to be 7. So it's going to go like this. But that's not what our that is not what our slope says right here. Our slope is saying that it's y 1/7 is equal to rise over run. So as it rises up 1, it moves 7 forward. And as it rises up again, it moves 7 forward. And like that, our line's going to look something like this right there. And so because of that, the answer is going to be D, because as we go up 1 and right 4 or right 7, it's going to be 1, 7, or 7, 1, sorry. And as we go up again, we get 14, 2. You're adding 7 to the y value and you're adding 1 to the x value, which is why the answer is D. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll be going over questions 13 to 16 next time.